If you're looking for a kids seating arrangement for outside, this Lifetime table has been a great addition to our backyard. It goes really well with our camping staycation theme, and this is a foldable table that seats 4 kids. My kids use this for crafts, they use it for eating outside. It's also just a nice little table to be able to sit at and enjoy some sunshine or a book. We can move it really easily into the shade when we need. We can also move it into the grass if we want it out there. It's water resistant. It's been holding up really well outside. And I just love the quality of this Lifetime brand because I found that everything that I've purchased from them has really lasted a long time and is really easy to maintain. The best part is that this table folds up really conveniently, so I can keep this in a different location if I prefer and bust it out for special occasions or events, or even take it with us to the park or to the beach, or when we want a table and chairs in another location. So I highly recommend this kids Lifetime folding table.